Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ije Wanne. You can call me Ije for short. So here guys, I have my package. Some of the African food stuff we got from Nigeria. You know, being in abroad here, getting African food stuff are very expensive. So normally every year towards the end of the year we order lots of foodstuff, crayfish and stuff, order it through the plane, do the cargo plane, and when it gets to Canada, we go to the airport, pick it up. But this year my brother-in-law helped us get some. He is visiting the US, so he helped us get this quantity. So I will be unboxing it with you guys. If today is your first time tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, share to your friends and family, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I put up a new video you get notification. Guys, look at my spinach, my ugu leaf. The ziploc bag is torn. Okay, look at it there. Ugu leaf. It labeled too. So these are the quantity of the stuff my brother-in-law helped us get. So I'll be bringing them one after the other and we're going to see what we have. I'm super excited, guys. Please tell me in the comment section if you're in abroad, how do you feel when you get African food stuff? Here guys, so I have the dry fish, guys. Guys, look at dry fish. More cooking videos loading, more cooking videos. Guys, look at, just have a look at. Hey, you know, normally my husband is the only one doing our mukbang video in our family channel. Guys, this time around I will join this eating video. Hey, I cannot come and miss all these things. See guys, look at hey, cooking and eating videos activated. Yes guys, so these are the dried fish. I can't wait to start using these. I can't wait, guys. Yummy, yummy. So guys, this brings us to the end of today's video, this unboxing video of some of the African foods we got from Nigeria. If today is your first time tuning into my channel, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share to your friends and family, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I put up a new video, you get notifications. Thank you so much for watching up till now. I love you all, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember, more cooking videos loading, right? Thank you for watching. Bye.